like people have not seen since World War II.
Stop manually typing subtitles. I built this completely offline desktop app that uses OpenAI Whisper models to auto-generate subtitles. First of all, you need to go to the release section on the right side, click the latest version, scroll down to assets and download the AI Subtitle Generator.exe. Note when you launch it, Windows Defender might pop up. This is just because I haven't paid Microsoft for a publisher certificate yet. Just click more info and click run anyway. It's open source, so the code is safe. Now, while the desktop app runs, let me go back to the main repository and give you an overview of how it will work. So, as you can see, there are different ways to run this. One simple way to run this is using Python app.py. The other way is to use command line, defining the input file and the model. Similarly, when running on Python or when you download the open source repository, there are different things you need to install for your machine, or simply install what is in the requirements and you will be good to go. Now, note that when you first time run a file with the app, it will take long time because you haven't downloaded the models or the open source Whisper models. Depending on your compute power, download the model from tiny to large. It just depends on how much RAM, CPU and GPU power you have. Now, as you can see, there are three different formats that this app will output. One is SRT, the other is text, and finally we have a full text transcription. So now let's upload a file and see how to. I will first of all run an MP3 file or upload an MP3 file, generate subtitles. As you can see, there are check marks for output formats like the SRT, text, and which model to use. Now it takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the length of the audio or the length of the media. I will refer it to as media because you can use MP4 and MP3. So it will take some time. Once that is done, now as you can see, we have three output files. I will go to my MP3 example and you can see it generated three files in the same folder. This is the full transcription, which is a complete text of what was said in the media file. Now this is another file which is a .text file or .text type of file, and its purpose is so you can forward it to any other AI or LLM to further process it. And this .srt is our actual file that we are going to use in any video editor. Now I will go back to Wondershare Filmora and just upload this .srt file and run this. As you can see, all the subtitles are automatically added. I have added the link to this repository in the video description. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.